Welcome to Extreme Loaders. Get ready to witness heavy machinery's incredible power and precision in action. From logging to construction, we bring you the toughest machines that redefine strength and efficiency. The Ponsse bear works tirelessly in the forest while other workers are likely enjoying a vacation. It's a great reminder that logging isn't as glamorous as it sounds. But with the immense power of the Ponsse bear, even the largest trees become just another job. Watching this beast handle its task precisely and efficiently is like watching a superhero save the day, but with wood and wheels instead of a cape. The Valmet 840.3 proves that not even rain can stop real work from getting done. This machine continues to haul massive loads through a summer forest, turning what could be a muddy mess into a display of power and endurance. Even though it's a battle with the elements, the Valmet keeps going, showing us that real machines are built to face the toughest conditions without breaking a sweat, just a little bit of mud on the tires. The Ponsse Ergo with terrain tracks isn't just built to handle trees, it's built to handle hills, mud, and anything else nature throws its way. Watching it glide through steep terrain while dealing with large beech trees is a sight. The perfect combination of strength and technology proves that modern machinery isn't just about cutting trees, it's about getting the job done in the toughest conditions. Like a forest ninja, silent but incredibly effective. The Palfinger Epsilon M12L is the unsung hero of timber loading. With its precision and incredible reach, it's like a surgeon carefully placing the perfect cut into place, only it's massive logs instead of organs. The skill of loading timber with such finesse is often overlooked, but every move is calculated to ensure the job is done safely and efficiently. It's the quiet efficiency we all appreciate, even if we don't always notice it until it's done. Nobody likes getting stuck in the mud, but when the forwarder Logset 6F faces this challenge, it turns the situation into a real test of strength and determination. Watching this powerful machine struggle against the mud is like watching a giant decide to take on a slippery opponent. Yet, despite the setbacks, the Logset 6F teaches us an important lesson: when you're built tough enough, even the most frustrating obstacles can be overcome. The Komatsu 901XC is a cutting machine with a mission: to bring down the biggest trees in the forest with incredible precision. As it falls these giants, you can almost hear them saying, "Size doesn't matter." The C93 saw attachment tackles the toughest trees like a hot knife through butter. It's not just the power, but the speed and efficiency that make this machine stand out, transforming what could be a long, tiring process into something that seems effortless. The John Deere 1910G Forwarder is a beast on Swedish logging roads, easily gliding over tough, uneven terrain while hauling hefty loads of timber. Its sturdy design and off-road capabilities make it a trusted companion for loggers who need a machine that can keep up with them no matter what the forest throws. This isn't just a machine, it's a powerhouse on wheels, transforming the challenging task of logging into a far more manageable job with each powerful stride. Clearing land and digging a pond might sound like simple tasks, but they require precision that only advanced machinery can achieve. Watching the process unfold, it's clear that every scoop of dirt is part of a bigger picture. It's not just about digging, it's about creating something useful, whether it's for irrigation or wildlife. The machines here don't just move dirt, they transform landscapes, turning a patch of land into a functional and valuable resource for the future. The Tigercat 1075B is a logging machine that exemplifies sheer power and precision. Watching it easily tackle dense forests is like witnessing a lion hunting in its natural habitat, strong, determined, and unstoppable. This isn't just a piece of machinery, it's a force of nature, turning even the toughest timber into manageable logs efficiently and quickly. Every tree that falls to the Tigercat feels like a victory in the ongoing battle between man and nature. The Valtra N154E combined with Kesla equipment is a duo built to conquer the most challenging forest terrains. Whether hauling logs over steep slopes or navigating muddy paths, these machines work together seamlessly, proving that modern logging requires more than just muscle, it takes precision and smart engineering. It's a partnership that shows how well-designed machines can make even the most difficult tasks seem effortless. The KRANMAN Bison 6000X isn't just a machine. It's a workhorse designed to take on the toughest jobs in the forest. With its robust frame and impressive maneuverability, it can handle logs in ways many machines can't. It's a true testament to the power of innovation, showing how far we've come in making logging easier and more efficient. The Bison 6000X may not be flashy, but it gets the job done, and that's all that matters. When the sun sets and the darkness takes over, the Ponsse Scorpion King doesn't slow down, it keeps working. With its advanced features and powerful design, this machine proves that logging doesn't stop just because the light fades. Watching it maneuver through the dark, it's almost like a creature of the night, operating with precision and strength even when visibility is low. It's a perfect example of how technology adapts to our needs, no matter the time of day. The Ponsse Ergo 8 WC44H7 is a versatile machine built to handle even the most challenging forestry tasks. With its ability to navigate steep hills and carry large loads, it's a true powerhouse that never backs down from a tough job. Whether it's felling trees or navigating rough terrain, the Ergo handles everything with the grace and precision of a professional athlete. In the world of logging, it's a champion, always ready for the next challenge. Logging in a wet forest is no easy task, but the right equipment makes it look almost effortless. This machine takes on the mud, the rain, and the slick terrain without hesitation, showing that when technology is built to withstand the worst, it can turn even the toughest conditions into just another day at the office. It's an impressive feat, demonstrating that a competent machine doesn't just survive in harsh environments, it thrives. When a JCB backhoe clears a mountain road for villagers, it's a game changer. This isn't just about digging dirt, it's about improving lives. For the villagers, it means easier access to resources, better connections to the outside world, and a huge step forward in their daily lives. Watching the JCB at work, you can almost feel the excitement of the villagers who now have a road to travel, proving that even small changes can make a huge impact on a community. Driveway maintenance may seem small, but it's essential for safety and convenience. Keeping the driveway smooth and damage-free ensures that cars can travel safely, especially in adverse weather conditions. It's not just about making things look neat, it's about ensuring everyone using the driveway has a smooth and safe ride. It's a reminder that even the simplest tasks are important and require attention to detail. We hope you enjoyed watching these amazing machines at work. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell to stay updated with all the exciting content we have coming your way. See you in the next video.